Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to reset your Meetup account password. Sometimes you may forget your password. If you have forgot your password, don't worry, it can be recovered. To reset your Meetup account password, first click on browser, go to meetup.com and eetup.com. Click on login button shown on the top right side of your screen. Click on forget your password. Enter your email. Click on submit button. Meetup has sent you a password reset link. Check your email for the link. Click on the link. Enter your new password. Your new password should be combinations of upper and lower cases, numbers, and special characters. Click on submit button. Now your password has been successfully reset. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.